Before the birth of Christ, God called prophets to lead humankind towards spiritual understanding and to teach them of a coming Messiah, a Savior who would reveal our true relationship with God, teach new commandments of love, forgiveness, and mercy, and provide answers to life's great questions. At the Savior's coming, many experienced spiritual changes in their lives because of his teachings. Others rejected them and those who taught them. Jesus was crucified. Apostles with the authority to act in the name of Christ were also put to death. With the Savior and his authority no longer on the earth, earnest men and women were left to search on their own. For centuries, shreds of truth circulated, but much of what Christ taught and delivered in sermons was misinterpreted, compromised, or gradually disappeared altogether. After a time, the heavens would open up again. A prophet would be called by God, and all truth would once again be restored.